Okay, beta. So today we are going to start a practice sheet, revision sheet from the chapter money. Okay, from chapter money we are going to start. So Manvi, can you read the first question?
Yes, ma'am. Question number 1. Filling the blank. First, 1 rupee is equal to dash paise.
Yes.
1 rupee is equal to 100 paise.
Very good. So here we can write down. Here we can write down 100. Okay. So ma'am is going to write down the answer 100. Okay. So now Manvik, you can mute. Now you can mute. Atharv Arora. Atharv, unmute yourself. Yes, Atharv.
We separate paise from rupee by putting a dash between them.
Yes. Yes. What does it mean? Can you explain? Atharv.
No, ma'am.
Beta, can you explain the question? Ma'am is not asking about the answer. Just explain the question. Yes.
We
Separate
paise
from rupees. We separate पैसे from rupees. rupees से पैसे को separate कैसे करते हैं हम लोग? Yes. By putting a dash between them. Yes. No idea?
No, ma'am.
Beta, you should use your brain. We have already discussed the same. Here, who is going to tell me? Sonika, can you tell me? Sonika, unmute yourself. Yes, Sonika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you repeat the question?
Separate paisa from rupees by putting a dash between them.
Yes. So what does it mean? What we are going to put here? To separate paisa and rupees. You can observe from the given questions. As in the question number 2. Rupees are given here. Yes. So how it is separated? Yes.
Then 3 rupees 25 paisa.
Okay. So 3 rupees and paisas are 25. So what we have used here to separate rupees and paisa? What symbol we have used here?
Ma'am, point.
Point. So we are saying here dot. Okay. Is it clear?
Okay,
we
ma'am.
have just used our brain. Everything will be come in your exam. Okay. But you have to use your brain accordingly. Okay. So here we can write down dot. D-O-T dot. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dot. And we can also make a symbol of dot also like this. Like this. Okay. By using this dot, we can separate paisa from rupees. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So now you can mute. Now you can mute. This time Harshika will give me the answer. Harshika, are you ready for the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, P stands for dash and R stands for dash. Ma'am, P stands for paise and R stands for rupees.
Very good. Very good. P stands for
Paise.
paise and RS stands for
Rupees.
rupees. And you know what is the symbol for rupees? We have already learned now. Symbol for rupees.
Yes, ma'am.
So beta, you all are not going to write down RS because we have changed our pattern. Okay. You are just going to write down this particular symbol which ma'am is going to draw for you. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear? This one. Okay. This
Yes,
symbol we have drawn.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is the
Ma'am, I
symbol
can
for.
use
Yes, this is the symbol for
rupees.
rupees. Very good. Okay, so we are going to use this symbol only and we are not going to use RS.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So now you can mute. Aradhya, unmute yourself. Yes, Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya. Click only one time. Okay, you try. By the time ma'am is going to take Devangi Sharma. Devangi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Next question.
Yes, ma'am. Question 2. Fill in
Yes.
the blanks. Rupees 3.25 is equal to dash paise. Ma'am, 3.25 paise.
Can you repeat your answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 3.25 paise.
3.25 paise. Ma'am is going to write down your answer here. Listen. 3.25 paise. You are saying this. You are saying this.
Yeah.
Is
Yes,
this the
ma'am.
correct answer? Beta, what we have done, what we have learned about how we are going to change the rupees into paisa, simply by removing the dots. Yes or no? Simply
Yes,
by
ma'am.
removing the dots.
Ma'am, 325 paise.
325, simple. Simple. If dots are not given there, in that case, you can put 2 zeros. In that case, you can multiply the question by 100. Okay. Otherwise, you are just going to simply removing the dots. Okay. So if dot are given here, like 3.25, so you can remove this dot. So here your answer will be yes.
Ma'am, 325 paise.
Very good. So here your answer will be 325. So don't forget this. Okay. Is it clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Can you tell me the next one also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Rupees 60.7 is equal to dash paise. Ma'am, 60,107.
Beta, you can say like 6007. You can tell me the answer in the digits also. Okay. 6007 paise. Is it clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
So we are just
Yes.
going to remove. We are just going to remove the dots over here. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You can also tell me the answer with the help of removing the dots. Okay. With the help of digits also. Or if you are going to say, so it will be definitely 6007. 6007.
7.
Okay. It is clear?
Okay.
Okay. Unnati, unmute yourself. Yes, Unnati.
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham, rotate your camera. You are not visible to him. Rotate your camera. Yes, good. Yes, Unnati. Can you change or convert the third one?
Ma'am, rupees 007 paisa.
Rupees.
007.
Beta, when we are going to convert rupees into paisa, so we are not going to use the symbol rupee over here. Is it clear? Is it clear? Because
Okay,
we
ma'am.
are converting into paisa, so no need to write down the rupee symbol. So why you are using
Okay,
rupee
ma'am.
symbol? We are just going to remove this symbol because we have converted it into paisa.
Paisa.
It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be our answer?
007.
007. And you know this thing that no need to write down 00 in front of any number. Yes or no? Zero
Yes,
zero has the value, but after any number. You know this thing? You know this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can
Yes,
write
ma'am.
down only the 7 over here. So this will be 7 paise only. Is it clear? 007 or 7 means same. You can write down 00 over here. That will be also having the same marks. Okay, beta. But the correct way of writing down is this, that it is 7 paisa only. Is it
7
clear?
paisa.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay. So now we are moving to the next question. Okay, Nia, can you tell me the next question?
Yes, ma'am. 487 paise. We will put dot after leaving 2 digits. The answer will be rupees 4.87 paise.
Yes. So here
Sorry.
your answer will be rupees 4.87 rupee 4.87.
Paise.
But this rupee symbol we are going to put in front of this. Okay. So here ma'am is just going to draw. Okay, beta, you can cut it from here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you can write down. 1 second, ma'am is just going to write. Like this. This is the rupee symbol. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Very nice. So now you can mute, and this time ma'am is going to take one more child. You can mute, Nia. Ishita, are you ready? Yes, Ishita, unmute yourself. Yes, beta. Bharat, sit properly. Cross your legs. Bharat. Yes, beta. Next, Ishita.
Ma'am, 4,456 paise is equal to dash rupees.
Yes.
Ma'am, 44.56 rupees.
Can you repeat your answer once again?
Ma'am, 44.56 rupees.
Very good. Very good. So what we have done here? Can you tell me what we have done here?
After 300 leave curly digits.
Means we are going to leave 2 digits from right hand side. Then we can put the dot. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here your answer will be 44.56. So this will be your answer. 44 rupees and 56 paisa. Okay, beta. So now ma'am is going to take your queries one by one. Then we will move further. Okay.